The latest features for your Skipline glass cockpit can be downloaded at skipline.com. Just click on the Support tab and scroll down to the Software Update link. The instructions page has a blue link labeled Here for a Google Drive folder containing a PDF for troubleshooting and the update file that you will need to download onto your computer. Now, insert the thumb drive you plan to use onto your computer. If the thumb drive doesn't open automatically, just verify there isn't already an update.bin file on it. Also, thumb drives must be formatted to FAT32. Next, the new file should be ready and is most likely in your Downloads folder. Click and drag the update.bin file onto the thumb drive. Be sure the file name is update.bin, as no other file name will be recognized. If you see parentheses with a number inside, rename it properly. Now you can eject the thumb drive from your computer and bring it to your truck. The DL-18 and the HDVO have 4 USB ports in the back, and some of these ports may be occupied. However, there should be an open slot for the thumb drive. A USB extension cable might make it easier for future use. Make sure all your Skipline devices are powered up and loaded all the way. Insert the USB drive and the update should commence. The update takes about 2 to 5 minutes. Do not let your battery die during this process. Have the truck running or use a battery tender to keep your charge. Soon as the update complete screen comes up, repeat this process for each HDVO on the system. Finally, cycle the power and enjoy the latest features. If the update has no apparent change to your system, make sure you're on the new UI. Here's an example to help identify if you're on the old UI, then you will need a system update. Contact support. If for some reason you can't get the update to work and you've tried the troubleshooting tips in the PDF, contact support at skipline.com.